can't see you. Oh, that's because you're in a new seat. Sit back, please. Sit back. Right. And who else is in a new seat? Big girl things. Say morning, husband.
Morning, guys.
Sarah is cute.
She cute. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's the weekend and we are heading out on the road to run a few errands with the fam bam this morning. Yeah, so that's what's up. We have a few things to get done on the road, so we are heading out to do that. It's hot here, super hot. So make sure you guys are staying hydrated during this heat, because yo, it ain't no joke in these streets. You guys, look at my earring. Look how cool my earring is, honey. My earring says, yes, my hair is soft, please don't touch. I got this earring from African Fabs. My necklace is from Style and Glam, so make sure you guys go check out those websites. And I'm gonna put on my mouth mask and show you my stylish mouth mask, also from African Fab, and you guys will get 15% off your mouth mask purchase if you use my code MEL20 to get 15% off of yours. Oh, and my glasses, somebody asked me the other day where I got my glasses from, because they like it, and my glasses is Guess, and I got it from my optician. Oh, and my hair, where's my hair from? Oh, it's mine.
Glasses is medical?
No, this one is not medicated. It is? No, it's not. Yours is.
Yes.
Mine too?
The one we did too.
Okay, so babe, confirm. It's from my optician. It's medicated. So there goes my glasses. This one. What else I have to tell you guys? Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And if it's your first time to the Fam Bam, be sure to subscribe. Yes, Dad?
And subscribe on Body After Baby.
You heard it. Subscribe on Body After Baby. And I'm gonna show you why you should subscribe on Body After Baby. I'm gonna show you my body when the car stops, honey child. Your girl is in short shorts today, and she's feeling all kind of summer sassy. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to all my platforms. Body After Baby, Mel's Kitchen Jamaica is my food channel. Make sure you go and subscribe to that one also if you want every and anything I cook, that over there. If you want to get fit with me and eat healthy, I do everything on that on Body After Baby. And if you want to see the entire crew, stick and stay right here on the Delaveaus. Make sure you turn on your notification bell and go follow me on Instagram at _Delaveaus. That way you can catch all the pictures and all the happenings that we don't post on YouTube. So there you have it. You can keep up. It's not that hard. Go show some love. Anyway, you guys, we are in these streets, so we'll see you guys when we reach our destination. This is the mouth mask that I'm rocking today, and this one is from African Fabs. Go to www.africanfabs.com and you guys can get 15% off of your stylish mouth mask like mine, honey child. Use the code MEL20 when you're checking out. Isn't it cute? I love it. I love it.
Well, good morning, everybody. I saw you.
Yes, I did.
I think I saw you when I was in the car. But I think I saw you. Hi guys, I just come back from supermarket.
Hello.
I just can't.
Hello.
Oh, I see a little hand. I just don't remember when is the last time we all together went to supermarket. I think it was like March or February. We didn't go supermarket that long. And right. So we went all together. Of course, the bill explodes when we go into the kid and this and this
I want
and this
this,
and this.
Mama, I want that.
Guys, an advice: if you want to save, don't go supermarket with your kids, and don't go supermarket with your wife too. So guys, we took a lot of things. It looks like I went then doing quarantine for 2 weeks supermarket. No.
Get down.
So, well,
Get
I'm
down.
gonna show you what I got.
In the kitchen.
I'm gonna show you what I got. And you see it's all female stuff.
What do you mean all female
It's
stuff?
all
Come
female
tell us,
stuff.
stand here. They'll see you now.
Well,
See
guys,
the scenery.
the first things we took, I just wanted to show you Tyler with
Red.
red. That's the red uniform, meaning he go to a higher level next year. Final. Right, so we took his uniform. He's super exciting. For him, it means
He's a big boy.
big boy. He will be the biggest boy in the school. So babe, I have a lot to wash. I have to put Tyler name here, and yeah, that's gonna be summer job.
Mama,
Yes,
are you going to put my name
yes, I'm gonna put your name on it.
now?
No, not now.
When you finish?
When it's almost time for school. Alright, supermarket haul. Go, I'm bringing you the stuff. Wanna go
First
fast?
thing, we took some eggs, a lot of eggs. I'm not gonna tell you the purpose of the egg. What is that, Tyler? It's called kiwi. It's called kiwi. Tyler don't know kiwi. So we take 8 kiwi, we find goodie, we take some Coca-Cola. What is that?
Beef.
Is beef? Maybe you're right. Right, you good boy. You know that? You know that you good. How you know it's beef? You went to cut the meat from the beef?
You went to cut the meat from the cow.
From the cow?
The meat from the beef.
Alright, and what is that? We take some kebab,
Oh, kebab, I want it.
It's called brochette de poulet. It's kebab, chicken kebab.
Brochette de
Kebab
poulet.
in France is something completely different. So you like kebab, French kebab? I mean, yes, she loved it. Tell her what is that? Your favorite? Guys, we have some nuggets. That's Tyler. That's your second favorite too. That's for lunch. You want this for lunch? We have this for lunch, carrot for Tyler.
No, Jack.
We
Look,
have-
it's only for baby.
But you're still my baby.
It's
We have some
I'm
almond
a
milk.
big boy.
We have some cereal bar. Look,
Look at almond.
it's almond. No, it's nuts. It's cashew.
Oh, nuts.
It's cashew and yogurt. What is that, Tyler? Show them.
Tomato.
Tomato, little tomato because Tyler little. And we have some more yogurt.
No.
Yes, you're little. What is that?
Yogurt.
Yogurt for who?
Sarah.
For Sarah because she big girl. And that we have what? What is that? Food. Petit pois for Tyler to grow
No,
up.
it's not for me.
It's not for you.
for me.
What is that?
Almond.
Almond. We have some sweet pepper. It's not for Tyler. Tyler not sweet at all. We have a butter pepper for Tyler because Tyler bitter. We have this salad. That's salad or that's ballon de football?
It's salad.
It's salad?
Yeah.
You know that Star Wars eat a lot of salad?
No.
Why is there so many bags? I mean the last time it was only 2 bags.
Can you do the whole that stuff?
Tyler, what is that?
Oh, wait.
You sure it was this?
Yes, it's
I'm not
yellow.
sure because this is Oasis. So what is that?
Oasis, two Oasis.
You sure, but that's different.
Apple Oasis, tropical Oasis.
Oh.
Exactly, Ty.
Okay.
Showing that you're smart. The first burner is hot, so don't touch the stove.
What is that, Tyler?
Orange juice.
That's not orange juice, that's orange juice.
No, that is orange
You
juice.
sure?
Yeah, because
So who pressed the orange? Somebody pressed the orange and put them in the box?
yes,
Okay.
they want the orange juice, yes. And
Okay.
that's how they do.
So what is that?
Apple juice.
And somebody pressed the apple and put them in the box too?
No, yes,
Really? What kind of job is that?
Making apple juice and orange juice.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Milk from the cow.
That's me from the car, no? That's not from the cow, that's from
Yeah.
the goat. You sure?
No,
Yes, it's from the
Is you take it from the goat? Or is you take it from the cow?
It's me taking from the cow.
Okay, you went to the cow and you did that to the cow?
What is going on?
Yes.
Okay,
Somebody
cool.
tell me what is going on.
Cool. What is that? Orange juice, apple juice? What is that? Tyler?
That is oil.
Okay.
Oil.
I don't know what is oil. What is that?
That is no, it's almond milk.
It's coconut milk.
Coconut milk, so how you do? You press the cocoa. Is the cocoa? You take the milk from the cocoa?
No, me first I mash
And you said they're gonna take long. You asking him all those
and then
things.
I
Tyler, repeat what you say, do?
I mash the coconut and I dig out the yellow after I mix it and put water and then it's coconut milk.
Okay, my
What
dear.
is this?
That's fun.
Nah, ravioli.
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 When it's on work, we have to think about easy way to do lunch for Tyler. What is
Come
that,
on, let's go,
Tyler?
let's go, let's go.
That's
That's
a
gonna
nice-
be dinner for tonight.
Tonight.
Hamburger.
Alright, tonight.
Hamburger.
That's not hamburger, that's
Unless I
meat.
change my
A
mind.
sausage,
Come on, people,
guys.
let's go.
As what is that, Tyler?
Bacon.
A bit like.
That is fish and that is salmon.
No, this is salmon and this is fish.
No, that
What
is.
is? Do you see the eye of the fish? I don't see. Look and show Papa where is the eye of the fish.
I don't see.
Guys, that's ham.
Here. I see one.
You see it?
Here.
Oh no! Look again.
Uh-oh.
That's some kebab.
Uh-oh.
That's some mini pizza.
Papa,
You
the
find
fish
it?
is moving.
The fish is moving. Really? The fish is alive. That's chicken. That's chicken from which animal?
From a rooster.
Right. You're so right. You're a smart boy. That's some. What is that?
That is
What is that?
brioche.
Brioche for hot dog.
Yes.
That's a lot of. What is that?
Three.
Yeah, that's cheese. That's mushroom and cheese.
Come on.
Two.
Can I have all day?
Two. Mama give us. Mama want faster. That's what is that? A cashew. What is that? Tell them what is that? I don't know what
That
is
is.
that. We have some
Really?
cheese. We have some washy chickpeas
Chickpeas.
and corn. Oh, some more.
Waffle. That is waffle.
Okay, that is some more cereal bar. Somebody gonna walk out. And after me, I prefer peach. That's my cereal bar.
No, it's mine.
Oh, it's your cereal bar? Okay, it's our cereal bar. We have some pasta. I don't know
Not
somebody.
pasta.
So why is different? Is somebody?
It's a megaphone.
Okay, it's a megaphone. Hello. Who pinned the pasta? That's a fun job too, to pin the pasta. Oh, some gnocchi. I love gnocchi.
No, it's only ball.
Oh, here is the apple to press and to put in the box.
Yes.
The apple juice. And tomato juice. You like tomato juice? Potato juice? Potato juice?
No.
It's very very yummy. We have to fresh. Guys, we have some rice. I don't know where she get the rice. I wasn't
The
there.
rice comes from the sea.
What is that?
Rice come from where, Ty?
The sea.
We have colorant alimentaire. It's color to put on the food to make different color. We have red. Somebody gonna bake. Not me. What else we have, Tyler? Take this. Show what is that?
Can I put down that in your hand?
I want to eat.
We have some cookie. That's not for me, guys. I didn't take it. I have nothing to do with that.
That is your cereal.
No, it's Mama's cereal.
Yes, it
We have some burger bread. Wow. We're gonna eat a lot of fat food. Yes, I love it.
You wish.
We
They're all
have
fat
Madeleine.
No, it's the bread and
This
it's
is
bread.
pasta. So why this pasta nobody painted? The mine wasn't
It's the
working.
bread and megaphone.
Okay, but why is painting here and not here? You think
It's
that? Oh, I know why. Because it was same day when they pack it and the man was at home not working. So we need to send it back.
Yeah.
Alright, it's almost finished, Tyler. We have some
Wait, I need to eat.
donuts.
You gonna finish
some-
the haul first, or you gonna eat?
We have some sugar.
Finish first.
And
Sugar.
what is the last thing, Tyler?
Biscuit for you and me.
Oh yes, I love this kid. Alright guys, that's
Lunchtime for Tyler.
that's it. That's a lot.
That's my hungry.
Tell Fizz what you having for lunch, Ty. Tyler, what you
I'm
having
the
for lunch?
dog.
Where's your hot dog, Tyler?
Well, you're not giving the child his hot dog.
It's my hot dog.
Not mine.
Alright guys. Why you think you're taller than mine?
Where is it, Mama?
You're not that tall. Sorry, shorty. Sorry.
That's why I have to stand, and even when I stand on the thing, I'm still not taller than you. Just a little.
Mama, where is it?
This is a good supermarket haul.
Where is it?
Hold me before I
Where is it?
fall. Ow, gosh.
Where
Sit
I
here.
sit? But look.
Tyler, you can't do it yourself?
Exactly.
Je croyais que tu n'étais pas un bébé.
Yeah.
Come
Ça.
sit around here.
Sarah, elle sait pas le faire. Alors Sarah, elle mange le nourriture de bébé. Allez, debout. Debout. Allez, va manger, mon grand.
Come, Tyler, go eat.
I'm baby.
Va manger et pas 1 heure.
Alright, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul for today from these two crazies.
We're not crazy.
You
You're
pass
not
crazy.
crazy.
We're not crazy.
You pass crazy. Baby, you don't see the bottle is empty? What you drinking?
Epa. Why you ask me?
There's nothing that's in the bottle. He's a fool. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go clean up all these things and pack them away right now.
And
While
cook
this
for
one
me.
is going to eat. And what?
And cook for me.
Who? You're going to starve.
I'm gonna starve.
You're hungry.
Oh. Nana, please.
Tyler, you better.
What you say?
Give him food.
Give him food?
Yes.
You think he deserve food?
Yes, you deserve.
Alright, go and sit and eat yours. I'm going to give him food. Hey, Mama, please give him food. He deserve.
Allez, galope.
Tu vas voir, je vais te secouer, toi.
Allez.
Oh, hear him head blow. You alright, Ty? Jesus Christ.
Then she asked if you alright. You should ask Papa, are you alright?
They can kill you right now. So look at what he's doing. So look at what he's doing.
What you doing?
Dancing.
What you doing? You're in the
I'm
kitchen?
making a hamburger for my son.
I'm your son? I believe I was your husband.
You wish. That's because that's what you wish to eat.
Oh.
Why you have the camera up in my face like that? Back up, man. Back up.
When I look at the different food, I think that the hamburger is the healthiest one of the two. So, what is the other things? Green bean, I see.
Green beans. That's what you having.
Green bean. That's what I have with hamburger.
No, hamburger is for Tyler. Tyler request hamburger. And we having, babe and I gonna have ribs that is in here. Green beans and corn. And Tyler is so hungry. Alright, let's go. Tyler hamburger bread is ready.
Oh, I want to know how you make that.
And then mayonnaise on it like that. Let the kid be kid, okay? He eats healthy a lot. And then we go in with the cheese.
Can I have a cheese in my ribs?
Then we go with the burger on the top. Then we put a little ketchup.
Where's the pickles? Tell her you want pickle?
No.
Then Tyler, your sister. Tyler, your sister. She bad. Tyler, hold her properly and take her down right away.
Oh, I don't want pickles.
There we go.
Ja, mushroom Tyler.
Hamburger for Tyler.
Yay.
It's ready.
That looks yummy.
Ketchup and mayo.
Mm-hmm.
Everything.
What are you having for dinner? Tell the faves what you're having. Who made your hamburger? It's bigger than you. You can manage that? Can I take the first bite? Or you want the first bite?
You.
No, that's okay.
You.
Mama don't want no hamburger. You're gonna have the first
Papa can have the first bite.
You want Papa to have the first bite?
Yes.
Come, Papa. Come, Papa. Me know you go and be happy. What him fears? Die. Papa get the first bite. Now it's your turn.
Tyler?
Yes.
Your turn. Hold it properly. He can't even manage.
Careful.
Jesus mercy.
It's yummy.
I can't talk.
It's very yummy, right?
Alright, you guys, that's the visual on dinner for tonight for the adults. That looks so good. I can't believe one of my favorite top of a hole, which means I'm gonna have to stop where it's going out.
Hole?
It have a hole.
Yeah. Turn through, please through.
You guys, we're coming on to end the vlog. The kids just head off to bed. Why are you looking at me like that?
When I look at you, I look at the wall. You're just in the middle of the world. Alright, let's focus. Let's be serious.
You can't be serious to save your life. We're gonna have a long rest of weekend because tomorrow we have a surprise for Tyler.
We have a special
And
guest.
he have no idea who's coming.
We have a
He's
special
gonna be
guest.
So excited. So you can't miss tomorrow's vlog.
His favorite one.
His favorite person in the whole wide world is being here
And
tomorrow.
no, it's not Jen.
No, it's not Auntie Jane. So your job is to comment down below and tell us which of Tyler's favorite person you think will be coming tomorrow. Let's see if you guys will get it. We'll confirm. Anyway, you guys, what's the expression for today?
Well, I have an expression from long time, so passer du coq à l'âne.
Passer du coq à l'âne.
What it means? What's the name of cocorico?
Rooster.
Rooster? Okay, so it's like
Pass the rooster to the donkey.
Right, switched from the rooster to the donkey.
To have a change of mood.
No. The idea good. The idea good. But this is not too. I tell you, the idea is good, but the simply meaning when you're talking to somebody and you completely, like in a split second, completely change the topic. You from a topic and you're just coming from another topic. That's why you say passer du coq à l'âne. You just come like we're talking about sport and whoop, talking about a different topic completely that have nothing to do with this topic. Okay, passer du coq à l'âne.
Passer du coq à l'âne.
Coq and coq is the French national animal.
I learned something new today. I didn't know
so
that.
when you look at the French, for example, jersey, national football jersey, you see the coq.
What's the Jamaican expression
I don't know.
today? I don't know.
You just say, no,
try.
I want it to come from your head.
I can't think right now, so I'm going to draw from my expression.
You
book.
see how she cheat every time.
It's not cheating. It's giving you something that makes sense.
Okay. Something is
Whoa, Giobon. Giobon. What did Giobon mean?
Giobon, that's very good. That's super good.
Well, you better try now give me bun. You find out if it's good.
You like bun?
To give Giobon mean to cheat on your significant other.
Oh, I give you bun. Oh, you not like bun, finally?
It means when your partner cheats on you to give you bun.
Okay.
Yeah, they have one song in Jamaica that goes, if your man a give you bun and you want to give him some.
Okay. So if your man I give, or if your woman I give you bun on
You have to give back some.
Okay.
It's not Easter bun I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know, that's why you love Easter bun. I give you a bun on Easter.
You better make sure that's the only time you give bun. So now you know what
I
give bun
import and I import the bun. You jealous? Alright.
So now you know what give bun mean. To cheat on a significant other.
Alright.
Yeah, give me bun.
Yeah, imported.
He imported. Alright, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam, and go subscribe to Body After Baby. The link is down below in the description box, in the comment section, and to the side of the screen. And what else you guys should do?
Catch up and
keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow
with a special guest.
with a special guest.